Hi guys, right now we're going to explain our PRD on how we develop our document routing system. Basically, this project is the capstone I chose because this is the current bottleneck that I am experiencing inside our work. So we're not in our office. There should be a way to handle and to track where are the documents currently located because most legal papers in government and enterprise or other documents are really important and confidential in nature. We have ways to identify where is the current document location is at right now. So our document routing system is based on a tech stack of Django. Postgres I didn't implement because SQLite is the current simple approach for this one. Basic UI is Bootstrap. I leverage Tabler UI for this one, but most of front-end logic are JavaScript, modern basic. No libraries of JavaScript are used. So our user roles are basic, the general users and the admin who owns the system. Basically, the document lifecycle of the document revolves based on being routed, acknowledged, and being rejected. So, meaning if a document is transferred from one department to another department, there is a transition or intention to transfer the document that is called route. And the current document holder still holds, but every time you have an intention to transfer a document from one place to another, that process is called route. And acknowledge or ACK is the process wherein you accept and you bear the full responsibility that the document is currently in your department. So I do not need to tackle most of uh, the document. It's located here in our Google Drive. You can check it if you want, or you want to make some modification, or have an inspiration for your current or your own project. But I'll share this one. So this is our system design diagram. Um, it first starts in our browser. Then our browsers communicates with our Django through our view, and this view renders the templates, or it depends if an Ajax request is or event is processed. It changes our template and acts accordingly on what action needs to be done. And then our views communicates to our service layer. Service is where our business logic we put views, functionality are only responsible for handling HTTP requests, but all business logic is put inside a services.py layer. From there on, the services.py is handling workflow, inbox, and routing services. All of the business logics that we have so far. And this communicates to our document model everything about creation or the document statics is handled inside our document model. Our routing history or our workflow history is all of the transactions that we do, where we put our routing logic, our acknowledge, our reject, everything of the most of the hard part is handled here, wherein we also use that data to output our routing history or audit trail log. So the idea is our how our routing history table handles is being sent through different kinds of views: inbox, pending, and sent. All of the inbox query will show only the things that is assigned to our uh, department, meaning the acknowledge documents, and it is shown through our inbox UI. While the pending um, query shows all of the routed documents, our not acknowledged routed documents to us, and it's shown in our pending UI. Send query is wherein all of the documents that we uh, transferred routed to other departments. So as you can see here, all of this uses the same UI. So same table is being reused across these three kinds of queries and UI, so that we will only have one single source of table. As you can see, as I said a while ago, our views layer is as is. All of the business logics is contained inside a services layer, wherein all of the logic, the functions that we created to do this project is located inside a services layer, wherein this functions uses ORM of Django to handle queries for us